Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learn and Fun with Amal. Today we are going to draw pup Zuma. First I'm going to draw his glasses and his nose. And then I'll draw his eyes. Now I'm going to draw his head and ears. Then I'll draw his face. And I'll draw his body. And now I'll draw his back. It's done. Now I'll shade his nose and make the sketch's outline darker. Coloring time! Now I'll start coloring orange. Now let's color blue. Now I'm going to color brown. Then we'll color orange and grey in his bag. Do you know Zuma likes water? Yes, he does. The drawing is complete. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe.